If you're looking for a completely natural, budget-friendly way to refresh your home, eliminate stubborn odors, and clear the air, you are in the right place. Today, we are creating a powerful DIY aromatic incense using two everyday items you probably already have in your cabinet: instant coffee grounds and medicated chest rub. Before you doubt it, let's talk about why this unique combination works wonders for your living space. First, let's look at the base. Instant coffee. Coffee beans are naturally packed with nitrogen, which gives them an incredible ability to absorb and neutralize heavy odors from the air, like lingering cooking smells, pet odors, or musty spaces. But when we heat or gently smoke the coffee, it releases deep, rich, comforting volatile oils. Instead of just masking bad smells like synthetic aerosol sprays do, smoked coffee actually cleanses the sensory palette of your room, leaving behind a warm, cozy espresso aroma. Now, why are we mixing it with a medicated chest rub? Traditional chest rubs contain a concentrated blend of powerful essential oils, including camphor, eucalyptus, and menthol. When these active ingredients are gently heated, they vaporize into the air. Eucalyptus and menthol are widely known for their invigorating properties. They help open up your airways, promote a feeling of clear breathing, and provide a crisp, refreshing clarity to any room. It's like bringing a soothing, spa-like steam treatment directly into your kitchen or living room. As someone who loves maintaining a clean, welcoming household, I'm always looking for ways to reduce synthetic chemicals. Many store-bought air fresheners and scented candles contain artificial fragrances and paraffin waxes that can irritate sensitive lungs or trigger allergies. By rolling this natural mixture into a clean paper towel torch, we are creating a controlled, slow-smoldering diffusion method. It allows you to enjoy the therapeutic benefits of menthol and the deodorizing power of coffee entirely on your own terms, completely free of chemical propellants. Taking a professional approach to DIY home care means prioritizing safety first. By placing our handmade incense wand inside a heavy, heat-safe glass jar, we ensure the smolder is completely contained and stable. This prevents any stray embers from contacting your countertops and creates a beautiful, steady stream of aromatherapy smoke. Now that you know exactly why this combination is so effective for clearing the air and relaxing the mind, let's light it up, and I'll show you how to safely manage the smolder for the best results. Comments energy. If you're going to try this at home, now that our aromatic wand is safely anchored inside our heat-resistant glass jar, it's time to activate it. Using a long utility lighter for safety, gently ignite the very tip of the twisted paper towel. You only want to catch the edge for a brief moment. Once a small flame catches, gently blow it out. The goal here isn't an open flame. We want a gentle, slow, controlled smolder. As the paper towel slowly burns down, it acts as a fuse, heating up the embedded coffee grounds and vaporizing the medicated chest rub. See you in the next video.